What if you could produce fashion UGC that looks like a real influencer made it, without the budget or the weight? Here's how brands are doing it with Ima Studio.
Okay, this finally arrived. Let's see if the quality is...
And that's why UGC works so well for fashion brands. It feels personal, authentic, and much easier to trust. Fashion shoppers don't just want to see clothes anymore. They want to see how they look on real people. Real-wear vibe drives fashion sales, not stick studio photos. But traditional shooting takes weeks and costs $0 to $8,000 per video. With Ima Studio, just customize your creator, describe the outfit, paste your script, and generate hyper-realistic UGC in 5 minutes. Open Ima Studio, go to Video Generation, and pick the UGC template. This is built for creator-style content. Define your creator. The more detail you add, the more authentic the result. Use real words, real reactions. That's what makes UGC convert. Hit generate, and within minutes you have a polished, ready-to-post fashion UGC video. Fashion brand ready to scale your UGC content? Ima Studio makes it this fast, this affordable, and this good. Try it now. Link below.